Led by the vision of Mayor Garcetti and the Board of Airport Commissioners, Los Angeles World Airports is leading the way on protecting the environment. In September of 2015, we began the full-time operation of our 90,000 square foot central utility plant. As one of the first sustainable utility plants at a U.S. airport, our central utility plant achieved a Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design Gold certification in 2015. Approximately 60% of our fleet is powered by alternative fuel. We work with our airline partners to conserve resources and reduce pollution, including United, KLM, and Qantas, which are taking an innovative approach to fuel, but using locally generated biofuels on select routes. We also have worked to restore the natural dunes located to the west of the airport, working with conservation groups to protect the El Segundo blue butterfly, and annually donate nearly 47 tons of plant materials to feed animals at the Los Angeles Zoo. Our water conservation initiatives help us save an estimated 396,000 gallons of water every day. It is because of these efforts that LAX was named one of only 6 U.S. airports to be accredited at Level 3 through the Airport Carbon Accreditation Program, which reflects our goal to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from our facilities by 45% below 1990 levels by 2025. Every day we are taking new steps to reduce waste, improve efficiency, and implement technologies that make LAX cleaner, greener, and take us to a new, sustainable future. Los Angeles World Airports is leading the way. The future is now.